Good morning, guys, and welcome to the Channel 6 News. Today we have two very special environmental experiments. One, based in the Amazon, focuses on the issue of deforestation. The other is based in one of China's many fisheries. Due to many conflicting issues, they were not able to make their ways to the States, so they sent a pre-recorded interview.
What is resource depletion?
Resource depletion is the exhaustion of raw materials within an area. This means when we as humans take too many things from Mother Nature and she isn't able to keep up with the demand. This could be anything from hunting animals to the point of extinction to cutting down too many trees and not giving them enough time to grow back.
So you specialize in deforestation. How does deforestation affect and impact us?
Deforestation is quite the issue. Deforestation contributes to climate change and also increases the risk of forest fires because it dries out the soil. Also, deforestation affects the climate. When leaves transpire, solar energy evaporates, thus creating a cooling effect. With the loss of leaves from deforestation, it will allow for more solar energy to reach the Earth's surface, creating a warming climate. Also, trees use carbon dioxide in their process of photosynthesis. Without trees to absorb this carbon dioxide, it will be left into our Earth's atmosphere.
What do you think we should do to stop deforestation?
There are many things we can do to stop deforestation. First off, we can cut down a certain amount of trees. Let's say there's 10 trees. For every 10 trees we cut down, we should plant 5, thus allowing trees to grow. Also, if it was known within an area that has been recently cut down, we should give at least 6 months before we go back to that area. Lastly, we should become less dependent on paper products. If we find alternate resources to use instead of papers, demand for trees will decrease, thus slowing down deforestation.
Thank you for the wonderful information. Now back to you, Katya, in the studio.
So informational. Now to Katie in China to talk about fishing.
So what's overfishing?
Overfishing is the practice of commercial and non-commercial fishing which deplete the fishery. Overfishing exceeds the carry capacity of a fishery. This means that overfishing is whenever fishermen take more fish than they are allowed to take from a certain area. It's also caused by the mass technology we have today, enabling us to catch more and more fish.
How does overfishing impact us?
Overfishing disrupts the natural balance of our ecosystem. The loss of a single species to overfishing can threaten an entire ecosystem.
Do you have any solutions to stop overfishing?
Yes, there are many things we can actually do. First off, we can put aggressive management on fisheries and have them strengthen their rules and put a heavier penalty to the people that break the rules. Also, we can increase the use of aquaculture. It really isn't too late, but the longer we wait, and the harder and more costly it will be to increase the fish population in about 10 years.
Wow, thank you for such great information. Now back to Katya.
Resource depletion is so important. We need to learn to take care of our environment to stop issues like deforestation and overfishing.
And people should try harder and harder to stop resource depletion, and they should do everything they can.